Hi guys, welcome back to my channel for another exciting video. This is something I've been seeing on a lot of Instagrammer, TikTok, YouTuber. You know, I've just seen it everywhere. And I think you have too, probably. And we're all looking at that little dangling accessory on Addison Rae's TikTok and thinking, what the heck is that? Well, I've done my research. I've done the digging for you, and I'm here to report that it's just a string attached to your phone case with a bunch of beads on it. It's inevitably going to be the next new phone case, the next it thing that everyone has, so you might as well just fall into the trendy world of phone accessories. Now, I'm pretty sure Vogue has called it like the most like extra trend in 2020 or 2021, something like that. It's literally just something that you can attach to right here, and you can just be like, I thought as soon as I saw that and I couldn't ignore it any longer, I said, Hannah, you're gonna have to make one. Because I looked at those prices online. I'm not gonna pay $50 for a strand of beads to connect to my phone. Nope, just not gonna do that. I won't, I refuse. I thought to myself, I thought back all the way to my freshman year in college when I thought I was going to be a necklace entrepreneur. Back when I started Hlander Goods and I made chokers with beads. I did, let me get one. Listen. I'm creative, okay? I once had an Etsy shop, and I once made these and sold them for about $12. Hlander Goods. But now I just have a bunch of random beads left over from that phase of my career, entrepreneurial career. So you're probably wondering, Hannah, get on with it. What's that have to do with any of this? Well, I now have this leftover supply of beads and strings. So we're gonna put them to good use today. And I'm excited because like I have some really cute beads. I think this is gonna turn out really good. Like, come on, it's just gonna turn out good. Let's just get right into it. So here's all of my bead options. Now I just need to pick out some that I think will go well together. And literally at this point, I'm just eyeballing it. I have this clear string. I wanna say that this is probably 14 inches. This is what I use. Literally everything I have is from Hobby Lobby. Go to Hobby Lobby, you can find anything you need, or Michael's, whatever your preference is. Walmart probably has it too. Target, Amazon. All my beads are from Hobby Lobby except for I think these my mom got from like an art show one time back when I thought I was gonna make it big as a jewelry connoisseur. Now I'm just literally going in and putting random beads. Now I have her all strung up. I just need to find a way to tie this so that I can tie it onto another piece of string. I like triple knotted it right there. I don't know if you can really tell. Now I'm going to pick out a piece of string. A lot of them are used with like that black kind of braided cord, and then you connect it to your phone or whatever. I'm gonna use string that you just kind of use for friendship bracelets and whatnot. I'm just probably gonna pick out one of these colors to add onto it. I'm sticking with the pink theme here, and I just took some of this friendship embroidery string is what I think they actually call it in the biz. Tie a knot down here so that way it's secured and this isn't like moving around while you're using your phone. So I'm gonna just tie a knot at the bottom that kind of conceals that. I'm just going to make it however long I actually want it. Like I said, I'll just put it over here and we're going to bring it through this. Final reveal. Oh. Honestly, it's really cute and it's not as heavy as I thought it would be because I thought, I'm like, this is kind of annoying. Wouldn't it be like heavy to have it just kind of dangling there? I think it's the perfect length. I mean, it really might be convenient if I ever do want to like hang on to my phone like this. Will I ever want to do that? I don't know. I think it matches well with my new phone case and it's really cute and trendy, and yeah. Yeah, now I don't feel left out. I think I could have made this a little longer, but then I think it would have been a little obnoxious, so I'm glad I did it at that length. It literally took me not even, if I was really focusing, it probably could have taken me 30 minutes. Go make one. They're fun, they're cute. I think it'd be cool if you got some like funky beads and made one and maybe look more like 90s. Yeah, this is more just like pastel moment. I love it and I can't wait to use it. And it was super easy. Go make one for yourself. Shout out Hobby Lobby or your local craft store. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Peace.